Hello and welcome to Vilnius. My name is Gediminas and I'm working in the Radisson Blu Royal Astoria Hotel, and I am executive chef in Astoria Brasserie. We are focusing on French cuisine and we cook traditional and contemporary French dishes. And today I'm going to show you how to make traditional Lithuanian dish with a French twist. So let's go to the kitchen. So today we're gonna make the red cabbage rolls stuffed with the minced meat and blood sausage. It's a traditional Lithuanian dish, but usually made with white cabbage, rice and minced pork. And today we're gonna make a little bit French way. So we're gonna use minced beef, blood sausage, onions already a little bit fried, black rice, red cabbage leaves and the red wine. So we start with the red wine and cabbage leaves. We're gonna blanch them in the red wine for a few minutes. So in the meantime, while cabbage leaves are blanching, we will prepare our filling. We mix all the ingredients we have. Black rice is semi-cooked, so it's only half time because we will continue cooking later. We can add also a few leaves of thyme and then we just mix it. So after a few minutes we take out the leaves and let them cool so we can make our rolls now. The process is really simple. You just add some mince and roll it up. Optionally, we can add some demi-glace, some meat sauce to the red wine, so it increases the flavor and richness of the dish. From the wine reduction and demi-glace, we got a nice rich sauce, nice color. We can serve with any side dish you like. So in this case we will serve with the potato puree and garnish with some green herbs or shoots. So our dish is ready. Enjoy and bon appetit!